Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can add testimonial slider to your Squarespace website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is testimonial slider. So let's go to top right corner, sign up for free. You want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. It's completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here in applications, you just want to write in search, testimonials. And I can see it here, testimonial slider. Let's create a widget. Right here, you can choose between slider, rotator, carousel, cards even. I'm going with the rotator, I like it the most. Let's continue with the template. Now you can go with a single spotlight, or you can choose like classic. Again, you can edit that. You can also change the layout. And now the fun begins. You simply add and change the testimonials here. I click on testimonial. I can edit that. Then you can change the name. You can change the photo and picture and everything. You can also delete reviews and add a new one. So then go to the top right corner. After you edit the style of colors, go to save. And after you do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, 5 million views, go with the basic Pro or Enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And now simply click plus, write code, and paste the code here. Now just wait until it's going to load, and voila, here you got it. Even when you would go to mobile, it adjusts. So yeah, this is how you can add testimonial slider to your Squarespace website. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes. And yeah, so this is how you can add testimonial slider to your Squarespace website. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.